Hi everyone, my name is Ruchi Singhal. I am associated with Horizontal Digital as a Salesforce functional consultant with an overall 10 years of industry experience. In today's session, I'm going to educate you about the open time email personalization and how it can be achieved. So, first of all, what is open time email personalization? As the name suggests, with open time email personalization, we can deliver personalized content and product recommendations at the time an email is opened by the recipient on the basis of their behavior and contextual information, which will lead to better lead engagement and eventually conversion. To better understand this, let's get dive into a business challenge. So the business challenge here is usually the shoppers, after browsing the site, leave the site without entering into the checkout process. The goal here is to increase the engagement of these visitors by sending them personalized emails which display products they have recently viewed. Let me walk you through the scenario and then we will look into its implementation details. So this is one of the e-commerce site Northern Trail Outfitters from Salesforce, where I will browse few items and we will see if the user receives a personalized email recommending these browsed items. So first of all, we need to provide the email address on the site so that we become the known user, and that's how we will get the email. So now I am browsing this site as ishan.single. This is the first product which I have browsed. So as of now, I have browsed 4 items, and let me have a look if I have received the email or not. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes to get the email. And let me show you if these items are being captured inside Interaction Studio or not. So if I look into the event stream and the user details, this is the user from which I was browsing the site. And if I look into the details, none of the images are being captured as of now. So let me browse some more items. So now as you can see, this is the user who was browsing the site, and these are the products which that user has browsed. One boot, second one is helmet, and the third one is cycle. Now let me have a look if the user has received the email or not. So now you can see that the user ishan.single has received this email showcasing the recently viewed products. In my email campaign, I have mentioned only 3 products to be displayed. That is why it is showing only 2 or 3 products. So now it's a time to discuss how we have implemented this open time email personalization. Before I proceed, one more important thing to mention. If I will browse, let me close this email. If I will browse some more items on the site and will again open this email after some time, then these recommendations will change when I will open this email again. That is why the name is Open Time Email Personalization. Recommendation will again and again change in the same email as per the user's current behavior. To implement this Open Time Email Personalization, we need to create a Open Time email template, one Open Time email campaign inside Interaction Studio, corresponding email template and email campaign inside Marketing Cloud, one segment inside Interaction Studio, and a journey in Marketing Cloud. So first of all, let me show you how we can create email templates, open time email templates and campaigns inside Interaction Studio. This is open time. This is Interaction Studio, and inside Interaction Studio, just click on email, open time email templates. So open time email templates are like any other template which can be used in email campaigns. It defines a layout for recommended content and their related details in open time email campaigns. So first of all, let me show you how you can create the open time email template. Click new item template from here. Provide the name of this open time email template. And item type, in item type you can mention any item type which you want to recommend inside the email. So as of now, as I have to recommend the products, I have selected item type as product. This item type will refer all the catalog items which you have configured inside Interaction Studio. So if you will see, I have configured only these 5 catalog items. It is showing us only these 5 catalog items as item type. As of now, published for email is no. As soon as you will click publish for email, it will get yes. Inside dimensions, it will you can change the layout or the height and width of the particular product recommendation block. And inside HTML, just put the HTML, like I have this HTML, and if I copy it here, click refresh email preview, it will show you the product recommendation with the product name and product price. So I have put the product details here, like item.name, item.price, and the shop now button. I have inserted this from here. You can select any product attribute from here and place it in the HTML. So this is how you can create an open time email template. Click save and click it publish for email. So this is published for email campaign. I have already created one open time email template here. Now the second step is to create open time email campaigns. Inside open time email campaign, you can click it via new campaign button. Provide the name of the campaign. And there could be as many blocks as you want inside the email. As of now, it is showing only one block, and you can put any number of blocks by clicking add new block. This is block 1. Let me give the name as promotion, where you can show the promotion to the user. And promotion could be static or dynamic. Static will show every user the same promotion, and dynamic will be updated as per the user behavior. Here you can select the content zone, which shows that where will this promotion will be displayed inside email campaign. Let me create a new block for recommending the products. Here you can select the product type, item type as product. And here you can select the item template, which I just created via this open time item templates. So this was the one which I just published. And from number of items you can tell how many number of items will you want to display in the email. You can change it as per your requirement. And from the block size you can change the height and width of this particular block. Like, see, you can change it like this. And this block CSS, item wrapper and image alt text, you can change the background or the background colors and other behavior of this particular block. And this is the promotion type. Here you can select the recipe. So the recipes I have already configured in the system. I'm selecting one of the recipe as recently viewed. So to give a brief context about recipes, Einstein recipes present unique product and content suggestions to individual visitors by understanding their behavior and interest. Here in inclusion, we can include one condition, like I want to include the products which were viewed at least one times today. For today you can put 0 or whatever days you want to refer for showing the products. For at least, I am putting it 1 second at least for today session. So this is the condition. It will recommend only those products which have been viewed by the users today for at least 1 second. After creating this, you can click save. And by clicking this simulate, you can test how this campaign will work. So by clicking simulate, you can provide the email ID of that particular user for whom you want to test this email campaign. So let me first publish it. And now let me simulate it again. So you can see that this user will gonna see these 3 products in their email, and this is the promotion which this user will see in the email. This is how you can test it for various other users by putting their ID or the email address. In show HTML, you will be going to use these HTML when you will create email campaigns inside Marketing Cloud. So this is how we can create an OpenTime email template and OpenTime email campaigns inside Interaction Studio. It's a time to create email template and email campaign inside Marketing Cloud. So inside Marketing Cloud, I will first create a template. So this is one of the predefined template which I have created. And using this template, I will be going to create an email. So you can create an email from here. I'm gonna create an email from a template. So I have used template plus, okay. And as I have the saved template, I'm gonna use it. So let me show you how we can create an email template and an email campaign. We have already available template for using which we can create an email campaign. Click email message, and as we have already available template to create this email, select the create email method as template and select this template click select. And in these blocks, put the blocks, HTML blocks here. And what you need to do is go inside this email campaign. I have already available email campaign for this. Show HTML and copy this HTML from here and paste it here. And do not forget to replace this personalization string. Similarly, everywhere you need to replace this personalization string. In the second block, In the second block as well, sorry, in the second block as well, put an HTML block and copy this product recommendation HTML and paste it here. This is how you can create an email. You cannot see this section because if I show you, I forgot to update these personalization string. Put this email personalization string everywhere in place of user ID. So if you can see, I have replaced the user ID everywhere with the personalization string. Now if I click preview and test, you can see that it has started personalizing the email. And I can click save. So that is how you can create an email inside Interaction Studio. So now as the email campaigns are ready inside Marketing Cloud, the next step is to create the API triggered journey, which will send the personalized email to the users who have abandoned their browse. So if I go to Journey Builder, this is already created journey which is in use. Let me show you how we can create this journey. Create a new journey, build, API event. What you need to do is email and exit. So as of now, I am not putting any weight inside this journey because this is for the demo purpose. I am sending the email as soon as the user is browsing the site, they are receiving the email. But in ideal case, the user browses the site and after certain period of time, you want to send that personalized email to that particular user. So that is where you can put a wait by duration or any wait clause as per the requirement. So as of now, I'm not putting it here. And to configure this API event, so this is how you can create a journey in the API event. You can configure this API event by clicking create an event, select data extension. For this, I have created one data extension inside Marketing Cloud. This is the one. You can select this data extension and this is configured. Email, I can select the email from here which I just created. Select the message from here. This is the email which we have configured. You can change the message configuration and everything else from here. Click done and the email is ready. Inside journey setting, you can put any contact entry as per your requirement. As of now, I am putting re-entry only after exiting, and I am using the email attribute from the data extension as email address. So our journey is ready and we can activate it. Before activating, let me show you one more thing. The last step which you need to configure inside Interaction Studio, the last step is to configure a segment. I have already created this segment. So this segment will this is a group of segment of users who have viewed the product at least one today and haven't made any purchase. So if you'll click setup, inside the setup, You can put any condition by clicking this new rule or selecting any mattress from here. So I have just created a rule by putting in a condition: items count viewed any product at least one today and haven't made any purchase in the last 2 days. Click save, and to connect this segment to the journey, click this add to journey builder on join, and here you will be able to see the journey name. So if you will look into the journey, I haven't saved this journey. Inside this add to journey builder on join, you can select the journey which you have created inside Marketing Cloud. So as you can see, I have just created this journey inside Marketing Cloud. The name is this, and it is appearing inside this. If the journey is not API triggered, it will not be recognized by the Interaction Studio. So I have, this is my existing segment where I am referring one of this API triggered journey, IA segment join. And I have matched the Marketing Cloud contact key to the email address inside Interaction Studio. And email address inside Marketing Cloud is also matched with the email address inside Interaction Studio. The Marketing Cloud contact key inside Marketing Cloud is capturing the email addresses. That is why I have matched the email address inside Interaction Studio to the Marketing Cloud contact key. Once you configure this segment sync, you can enable it and click save. So this is the last part, and you can see that the user who has browsed the site has been added inside this segment, and this user will be pulled inside this journey. So let me show you one more time. If I use this user, and if I will browse some of the items again, it takes some time to capture the user inside Interaction Studio. So let me browse some of the items again. And let's see if the user has been captured or not inside the segment. Give it some more time, and let me browse some more items till then. It is taking some time. So meanwhile, let me show you this user. From event stream, you can pick this user. Click here, and this is the cpurohit@horizontal.com. I was browsing the site by this user, and you can see that the details has been captured on this particular user. Segment membership, if you can see, this has not been added to the segment. It is taking some time. Let's wait for a couple of minutes to see. So now, as you can see, this segment has started showing this user as well. Earlier there were only 2 users inside this segment, and as soon as the user started browsing the site, it has been added into this particular segment. If I look into the journey and refresh this journey, oh sorry, it is not linked with this journey. So let me open the one which is linked to the segment. This is the one which is linked to the segment, And here you can see that the user has been added to the journey and contacts evaluated are 4. You can see the contact details from here. There are 4 successes, and I cannot check this email as of now, but this email has received, this user has received this particular email. And this is how you can achieve email time, open time email personalization. Please reach out to me on ruchi.ssinghal@gmail.com if you have any other queries. Thank you.